Forgotten username recovery failed on Revolut Fix. If you've tried to recover your username on Revolut and it keeps failing, don't worry, you're not the only one. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. Revolut does actually use usernames for login. Instead, your account is linked directly to your registered phone number or email. That's the key to fixing the problem. When you try to use a forgotten username recovery option, the system won't find anything because usernames aren't part of Revolut's login system. To get back into your account, open the Revolut app and select Login. Enter the phone number you registered with. Revolut will then send a 6-digit verification code via SMS or email. Enter that code to verify your identity and regain access. If you don't receive the code, make sure your phone number is still active and that your email inbox, including spam and junk folders, is checked carefully. Sometimes users accidentally enter a different phone number or an old email, which is why recovery attempts fail. If you've changed your number or lost access to your old email, don't panic. On the login screen, tap "Can't access this number." You'll be prompted to verify your identity using personal information, such as your date of birth or the last 4 digits of a linked card. Revolut's support team may also ask for an verification photo to confirm it's really you. The surprising truth is, most Revolut login issues come from using outdated recovery methods meant for traditional banks. Once you use the correct email or phone-based verification, your account access is restored in minutes. So, if your forgotten username recovery failed on Revolut, now you know it's not about a username at all. It's all about verifying your registered contact details. Take a moment to double-check them, and you'll be back in your account faster than you think.